Everyone says real estate is the safest investment. But what if I told you that in 2025, buying a property might be the worst financial decision you ever make? For years, people have believed that real estate is the ultimate path to wealth. Property values will always go up. Well, not necessarily. Today, I'm going to show you why buying a property in 2025 might be the worst financial decision you ever make. Welcome to Lessons in Finance with Dr. Tony Okafor. I have over 20 years combined experience both in investment banking and in the academia. If you are new to this channel, please consider subscribing so that you can always receive notifications whenever I post a new video. Now, let's start. The biggest killer of real estate investment right now is interest rates. In 2020, or prior to the pandemic, you could get a 30-year mortgage for as low as 2 to 3%. But now, a 30-year mortgage is between 6 to 8%. Sounds small. Think again. Now, let's look at this example. A $400,000 mortgage at 3% versus the same amount at 7%. You can see the interest costs over a 30-year period on 3% compared to an interest cost of 7% over a 30-year period. Now, what does this mean? What it means is that you now pay hundreds of thousands of dollars over the life of the loan. Less affordability equals to fewer buyers, and that equals to lower demand for housing, which is basic economics. Next, housing prices appear to be overinflated. Now, let's talk about home prices. We saw an insane run-up in prices of real estate over the last couple of years since the pandemic. But now, many of these markets are overvalued. Usually, price-to-income ratio in cities like California, New York, and Miami should be about 3 to 4 times. But on the average now, they are about 10 times. That's unsustainable. If prices stall or drop, homeowners could end up underwater on their mortgages. Next, the rental market struggles. Maybe you are thinking, okay, I won't flip houses. I will just be a landlord instead. But that's not easy as well. Okay? Higher home prices mean higher mortgage payments, which squeezes your profit margins. Then there's the hidden costs, property taxes, insurance premiums, repairs, and don't forget vacancies as well. So if renters can afford your price, then you're stuck paying the mortgages yourself. And in some places, there are rental controls now making it even difficult for landlords to raise prices. Now, let's examine another layer. What if there is a recession? And I tell you, there are chances of that happening. I don't mean to be an alarmist. So, what if there is recession? Rising interest rates, job losses, and economic uncertainty could reduce the demand for houses. If that happens, your safe investment will no longer be safe anymore. Here is a chart of declining house prices during the 2008 financial crisis. In every major recession, housing takes a hit. If people lose their jobs, foreclosures rise and home values decline. Are there better investment opportunities out there in 2025? So if real estate is risky in 2025, what should I be looking at? First, be sure that your funds are in high savings accounts or treasury bonds where you can earn a guaranteed return of 5%, purely risk-free, comparing this with a real estate investment that after your expenses in 2025 might lead to a negative cash flow. Also consider investing in the stock market. Look at stocks with solid dividend payment track record and stocks with high capital appreciation potential. You can also explore investment in S&P 500. These are the type of investments you should consider in 2025. So let's sum it up. Higher mortgage rates, inflated prices, rental market struggles, and the potential for inflation makes real estate investment in 2025 riskier. While property investment has made a lot of people rich in the past, it is not a guaranteed path to wealth in 2025. So, what do you think? What other investment alternatives are you looking at in 2025? Please share with me in the comment section. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel so that you get notified whenever I upload another video. Thanks for watching.